Hello, my name is AQEELA HARUMI. I'm from KESATUAN BANGSA School. Today, I want to show you how to make blue wajik. Wajik is a traditional food from Central Java. Usually, they have brown color and special taste of brown sugar. But this time, I will make blue wajik with telang flowers. So, let's cook with me! We need 500 grams sticky rice, 200 milliliters hot water, 35 pieces telang flowers, 250 milliliters coconut milk, 220 grams of sugar, 2 pandan sheets, 1/4 tablespoon fine salt. First, put the sticky rice in water for 2 hours. Second, steam the soaked sticky rice until half cooked for 15 to 20 minutes on medium heat. Meanwhile, put the telang flowers in hot water and press it until the blue color comes out. After that, put the blue water to the basin and add half-cooked sticky rice and stir it until mixed. Then steam it again for 30 minutes or until cooked. Heat the coconut milk, sugar, salt, and pandan sheet until boiled. Add the sticky rice and stir it until fluffy. After that, move the mixture to the pan that has been greased and press it until solid and let it cool. Once it's cool, slice the blue wajik. And then the blue wajik is ready to eat. The blue wajik is very delicious. Thank you for your attention.